one father's gift, a smart telescope from EDUSNAP, reignites that spark of curiosity. From city lights to distant nebulae, everything comes into stunning clarity. As the first star comes into focus, the boy's eyes light up with an excitement like never before. With EDUSNAP by his side, every glance at the sky turns into a new adventure. Lightweight and portable, it's the perfect companion for uncovering the mysteries of the universe. A sturdy tripod ensures every view is stable, just like a father's firm embrace. Every discovery stirs his sense of awe and wonder. EDUSNAP not only reveals distant worlds, but also brings them closer together, sharing moments of discovery and growth. With its built-in intelligent astronomy system, EDUSNAP doesn't just show the stars, it passes on knowledge, guiding the way to cosmic exploration. The precision mount makes finding constellations effortless, even for beginners. With premium optics, every star is sharp and vivid. The versatile zenith mirror lets you not only observe the stars, but capture them, turning every moment into a lasting memory. Powered by a Sony Starlight Grade sensor, it captures every breathtaking detail. With 32 gigabytes of storage, Type-C connectivity, and high-speed dual-band Wi-Fi, saving and sharing your cosmic discoveries is a breeze. EDUSNAP. Begin your journey to the stars. Join us now and unlock the mysteries of the universe.